Hey everyone, this is take two. My video got completely messed up. What I'm doing is I am unboxing Mystical Diamond Arts. I got this painting in the other day and I just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like. It is called Fantasy River. Oops, sorry. Wow, Pam, focus. That's the picture. And these are the codes. There we go. DMC codes, numbers, and symbols. So I got, like I said, I got this in the other day. I will link their website in my description box down below. It is a lady that owns it. Her name is Amy. She also has a YouTube channel. I will also link her channel down below in my description box. Go check her out. Cross stitching, crochet, diamond painting, journaling, you know, all kinds of stuff. Go check her out. I also did a box opening called the Pinky Owl, and I will put that in a card up here. You can check that video out as well. I'm having camera issues today, so please bear with me on this, because I had already opened the box and was recording, and I don't know what's going on. I'm going to scoot you back a little bit. It has a picture right here. Let's see if this will focus. And the packaging has what's inside the box. Right there. It tells you all, it's basically your inventory box. You get your toolkit, which is your one placer, your wax, and your plastic baggies, and your boat. You have your drills. And let's take a look at the canvas. Let's see. And it has the color list right here. Let me get up. The color list is right here. Right there. And I'm going to lay this out so you all can see it. I'm going to back it up. So it is poured glue. Very sticky. And the quality of the canvas. I can't even talk today. I can't use my camera and I can't talk today, guys. So, yeah. Let's look at the drills. Sorry, trying to get a good aim here. The quality is great. The drill field is so, I can see it. I mean, I can see it plain as day. It is I can't remember the size. Let's see here. 45 by 60 centimeters, so it's pretty big. Let's see here. There we go. Look at those pretty colors. Mystical Diamond Arts. You need to check her out. So I think it's my lighting. cannot say this word today, guys. I think it started off with my camera. Yeah. Okay. So here's the drills. Let's open it up. So what I like about this kit is she has them in individual baggies, which is awesome if you don't want to kit up. And they're labeled. They're labeled with the number. Let's show you a few. So they have the number and they're individually bagged. This is one of my favorite colors right here. Oh. And her quality is great. Look at that. If you can focus, focus, focus. Focus. Sorry guys, I'm trying to focus. There is no dimples. I'm not liking my video for some reason. Here's another great color I like. It's kind of see, no dimples, and she has each of them in a baggie, so you could just take that out and put it in your little boat, shake it, and put your painting. You know, start doing your painting, and you can pour them back in the bag. You don't even have to kit up. It's one thing. Another thing I like about this company: individual bags. Super awesome. Yeah. Oh, here's another color. Super awesome. Yeah, so, oh, did I show you the sticker? I can't remember. But this is a sticker you get with it. Pretty cool. So, I'm going to get off here and upload my video. I'm also going to be doing a diamond painting whip and chat, if I can get my camera to focus properly. So, with that said, I'll get off here and load the video up. Please check out her channel. And check out Mystical Diamond Arts. And tell me what you think. I love to hear. She's got some beautiful paintings on there. Go check her out. And check out her YouTube channel. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here for now. Y'all have a great day. Bye.